Hello everyone, in this video we will look at how we can record and play a test with Playwright, Python and Pytest. Before starting we have to prepare the development environment and we need the following. We need to install Python, so please go here, download and install it. Then we need an IDE or a code editor. I am using VS Code, but you can use anything else based on your preference, for example PyCharm or Vim. Then let's go to the Python package index page and here search after Pytest Playwright, click on the copy button and now we are ready to install it. To do this, open a terminal or a command prompt and here paste the installation command and hit enter, just like this. After Playwright has been installed, we have to install the browsers and to do this we type in Playwright install. One reminder here, after Python installation, the environment variables should be automatically set with the Python scripts location, and if you want to check this manually, you can have a look here. The next step is to create the project folders and files, so let's do this. I have opened VS Code and here I have manually created this folder named Playwright to Python, where we will implement our test. For example, you can create this folder manually and then just open it with VS Code. First step here is to check the extensions, so go to the extensions tab and make sure you have installed Python extension. Now we can create the project's folders. So we open the terminal, for example from terminal select new terminal. I will create a test folder using the make directory command followed by the directory name. Inside the test folder, I will add this init.py file. By the way, this step is optional, especially for what we are going to achieve in this tutorial. So we'll leave it blank. In Pytest, the naming convention for test files or modules is that they should start with test underscore or end with underscore test. This is required for Pytest to automatically discover and run the tests. And finally, now we are ready to record the test. In terminal we type in Playwright codegen followed by the web page URL we want to record the test and hit enter. By default the record button is already on, so it's recording our actions. And we find here some options like pick locators or multiple assert options. So what we will do, we will interact with the application, running the flow we want to automate, just like this. And at the end we can do an assertion. For example, let's check this element is visible and that the message is present. And that's it. Now let's switch to the Playwright inspector and here we find all the steps that were recorded by Playwright. If we drag this a bit to the left, we can find here a drop-down and under Python section we will select Pytest because this is the framework we are using for this tutorial. Now click on record button to stop the recording and also click on the copy button to copy all the code we have here. Back in VS Code, we can simply paste it in our test file. Also, if we close the browser, the recording is automatically ending. In terminal, we can give it a run. I will be using the following command. Pytest followed by the module name and few options like --headed, --browser and the browser name, for example Firefox. And as we can see, this is running as expected. Also, I want to mention you can find more tutorials on my Playwright Python playlist about how we can run test cases, use different browsers, emulate devices, run in slow mode, debug the tests and more, or create a virtual environment and many others. So please have a look on my channel if you are interested into finding more details about those. Otherwise, thank you for your time and see you in the next one. Bye.